Halo, Assalamualaikum. Hi, it's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a back straps, and it is adjustable, and it is made of leather. Actually, I already made the long strap for the crossbody bag. You can watch on my previous video, but it's a little bit different with this one because I use two snap hooks for the straps, and of course it's in a purpose because I intend to use this strap for the backpack as well as for the crossbody bag. So just stay tuned. But before I start, as usually, please support my channel by subscribe, give me your thumb ups, leave your comment below, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you will get notification if I upload the new video. Thank you. Okay, let's get started with the supplies. Here I already prepared two stripes of synthetic leather or faux leather. I cut it 90 times 8. And here I also prepared to a set of snap hook in a different dimension, and I also snap buckle and one O-ring just in case we need a longer strap for the crossbody strap. Okay, as you see, I reduced the dimension of the width of the stripes, so I reduce it about 1 centimeter, and the length is 10 centimeter, but the rest is still remain the same, which is 8 centimeter. It is because I want to make 2 centimeters strap in width. So what we have to do now is just fold it in a half to the center of the stripes, just like that, and then keep it with your pin. Then we will stitch it all along the edges. Okay, for the start, I put my magnetic seam guide. This is the simple ways to make the long strap, and if you want to make the second technique, I already made the tutorial. I use a glue and two stripes of faux leather to make the strap. But for this tutorial, I don't need I didn't use the glue, so it's just fold it in half like that. Okay, tip number 2 is put some oil on the surface of the faux leather, but to make it goes smoothly. Besides, we have to use the Teflon foot on each duty. Okay, done with one edge. So we continue with another edge. Just stop stitches all around the edge. Okay, now put the widest ends of the strap into the snap buckles and just stop stitches twice. Put another one of the ends of the strap and then put it through the snap hook, and please pay attention with the direction with the snap buckle and the snap hook. And after that, get it through the snap buckle, and then we close it with the snap hook. And now put the smaller snap hook to the ends of the straps and just stop stitches. Okay, our strap is done now, and it can be put to the our bag. And as you see, I put it for the backpack, and of course it is adjustable. For the tutorial of the bag, I intend to upload it after I upload this strap tutorial. And this is how, if we want to use the bag for us, the crossbody bag or the shoulder bag. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave me your comment below, and push the notification button so you will get notification if I upload the new one. Okay, thank you. Stay safe. Assalamualaikum. Bye.